this is Jonah Bard and the Anarchins. Hello. Let's learn an Ilonggo word today. The word is panit. Panit means skin. And when here is skinning Tibor. Why? Look at that. That's dead skin.
Of dead man.
Of a living person. So, the act of skinning or removing the skin is also called panit. It's a verb and a noun. So, you take off the panit of the panit. You peel it off. Ginapanitan ang panit ni Tibor. Oh my gosh. That is so hideous.
Yummy!
Look at that. That's dead skin. It's called panit. Oh my gosh. And look at all the piles of dead skin of Tibor. Oh my goodness. I have never seen anything like it in my entire life. And so, that's when. Tibor, how come you have all those skin? Para sa ano?
Because he's a snake.
Snaky, he's molting, according to Olive. Oh my God. It's his... Ew. It's really yuck, hideous.
Hindi niya, yak niya. Namit niya.
Namit daw. Namit means
Namit.
nice, yummy, delicious. As in... Yeah. Jonah Bart here, and the Anakin say, bye, 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 bye. That's your word for today. Until our next video, like, share, and subscribe. Kipto. Anong masay mo sina?
Ano gud siya miss ng hindi sa common? Pag second to pa rin sa nature sa manog nga nag-iilis pa.
Galon, no?
Oo na, galing no.
Look at that. Shit.
Pag na-videohan mo ito pagpakit, miss?
Oh my, yes, of course.